Hello users. In this video, I will teach you how you can move one person from your inner circle to outer circle or move another person from your outer circle to inner circle. The main principle is same. You have to remove the person from your existing circle and then send a new request to your desired circle. So let's do this with an example. So this user is logged into her account and now let's say that she wants to remove this person from her inner circle and wants to add her to the outer circle. So to do that, first of all, click on the circle page and visit to the desired user profile. Now click on remove from circle icon. Yes, remove. And now send another request to your desired circle, let's say outer. Now let's switch to the user profile, another user profile, and we will go to the circle page and you can see that a new request has been received, and this time in the outer circle. Now this is up to this user if they want to accept it or reject it. If they reject it, there will be no connection between these two users. If they accept it, they will be added to their outer circle this time. Now let's go back to the main user, refresh the page. This user is again added to her circle. Now let's verify it. Go to the main profile page and you can see this person is in the outer circle, which you can verify from the circle page itself. Thank you.